In this video, we're gonna take a look at Honeybook and Bonsai to see which one is better. So I have here a list with the different pros and cons. So we're gonna start with the best four. So Honeybook creatives and event pros, Bonsai for freelancers and agencies. Main strength for Honeybook, client communication and invoicing. Bonsai all-in-one freelancing toolkit. Proposals and CRM. Honeybook strong, visual and client-friendly. Bonsai good, more structured. Contract. Honeybook customizable templates and Bonsai auto-generated, legally vetted. Now the pricing, so for Honeybook we have flat monthly fee and Bonsai tiered plans, pay-per-use options. So basically the verdict is that use Honeybook for polished client workflows, pick Bonsai for flexible all-in-one freelancer tools. So basically that's it for today's video guys, thanks for watching.